Hello guys, welcome back to this channel, and I hope everyone's still in good shape so far, and nice to meet you all. Well, today I'm going to share a tutorial and I challenge myself, and this idea is coming from one of our friend here, from Christiana O.V.R, Virginia Robertson. I challenged myself to make this tutorial. She was asking about, is there any tutorial how to create one with custom words and font types, please? Yes, I give some answers. Yes, you can look for typecraft and applications on the apps section to create this. And she said that I've ventured on there already, still would like a tutorial for how to achieve this. And I'm glad, and I challenged myself to make this, and I created this tutorial. It takes time for me because I need to do something else, and this is the time I would like to share you. And I hope everyone, for those who are not yet know how to redesign this kind of art, and I hope you can make it. And actually it's so easy. Okay, you just do a master one, and after that you can download it and upload back in, and so you can tidy one. Without further delay, I'm going to let you know step by step how it works on Canva, and it doesn't take time for sure. And first of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Sarma. I come from Indonesia and I live in Bali. So guys, if you are not yet have a Canva Pro account, so you may use this link over here to upgrade your account. If you use this link, it is a big help for me to get a token from Canva, because I was affiliated with Canva. And the benefit of having Canva Pro is all access, you can get it. And if you are not yet have a Canva Pro, you may do so. And if you already have one, so you don't have to do it. You just keep watching this tutorial to get knowledge how to execute this kind of design in here, and how to redesign of this art of here. And is it difficult? No, it's easy. Okay, you just follow this step. Do not skip this video, and then so that you can make it. All right, so watch me work, guys. Stay tuned. So the element that assist me here on this tutorial, the first one is the name is Degrade Esfumado. So I got is one from Element. And I just type shadow. I just type shadow and it will comes here. You just click see all, and here you go. I grab this one. So that's the name of, so you just type shadow, and you can see here later on the name is Degrade Esfumado. That's the element. And the second one is the font. This font I find out in these applications. Yes, what application is craft? Typecraft. You just click Typecraft, and then you will see the platform in here, and the name of this font is Thunder 123. Okay, so that's the name of the font is Thunder 123, and then this is the applications inside the Canva applications. So Typecraft. Yeah, to get this kind of design, so all you can do inside Typecraft, go to the application section in here, and I'm going to duplicate this page, and I will just get this font this here, and there you go. I'm going to change the color of the font to become white. Yes, I will change to become white so that it's easy later on. And update element. Yes, now it changed the color, and click back again here, and all you're going to do is this is the master, and this is the screen in here. So this master here, this is when you work, and there's a lot of dots in here, and this dot, so I don't touch the upper dot in here, I just touch the lower one. Why I touch the lower one? Because I'm not going to move on the top. Yeah, so I will just move this one only left inside. So you can use your mouse, and after that release. And if you think this one it's good to go, and after that you can update the element, and bam, suddenly it will change this one. And if you think this one there's a curve in here, you just adjust this dot in here, and then again update the element. There you go. And more if you want to. Yes, if you want to pull down more, and it's up to you. Okay, so now it's straight down there. Okay, so to get more, the second one, to get this second layer, so all you're gonna do is copy paste again this one, and after that you just a little bit touch, yeah, put on the first layer, and after that again I don't touch on the upper one, I just touch the lower one by pushing, yes, and pushing it in, and then adjust. So that is how it works. And again update the element. There you go. So we got a different here. And if you think this part of this is not straight, so you can just adjust. And this is the second one, and the third one need to copy back again. Click on it and copy paste by Control C and Control V to release it. And again you need to, so we can see the difference, right? And again we need to adjust and adjust until we get the desired position. There you go. Click. Oh no, not that one. Oh, not that one. This one. Okay, make sure you click the right one, otherwise it will change the shape again. Okay, now this one we need to reshape, make it smaller, and update. There you go. Okay, so if you think this one not straight yet, so you can adjust this font, lowering down, and then boom, again lowering down. Yes, there you go. Now we got 3, and the last one, and again this copy paste. Okay, and again I will not touch on the upper one, I will just touch this one. Yes, this one, and put it back, this one. There you go. And update. Look at that. Now make it straight. Oh no, no. Okay, one more time. That's a mistake, because I didn't update. And there you go. Update the element. Yes, it's not yet straight, so you need to. Oh, what happened? Why? Supposed to be not this one, but anyway, we can adjust this one here, and there you go. All right, and this part of this we can arrange. This part of this we can arrange and update. There you go. And one more time, there's still some not straight. And yes, there you go. Now we got here all 4, and so let's arrange the position, and let's go back and get this shadow and attach. Yes, apply on top of it, on top of every font. So backward. So there you go. And copy paste again and apply. So make it bigger. Make sure you make it bigger, this one, so that it can cover. Okay, so they can cover. And I'll just throw this one. I'm going to copy back this and make it the same. And backward. Yes, there you go. And copy paste again and backward. and copy paste again and backward, and no. There you go. Okay, now we got all in position. Now we need to change the background, become black. So that's how it works. Now I'm done for the first step, and the second step, all you can do is just group all of them. Okay, all right, so let's not change the colors. I will just change this one. So okay, you need to group all of them, and after that download it by change the PNG, PNG, and after that transparent and current page. We're done, and then download it. After download it, we need to upload back again, guys. Yep, we need to upload back again. Yeah, there you go. Now I need to crop this part and this part as well, and this part I need to crop, and after that we need to make it bigger and the same size as the previous one. Yes, there you go. Slowly but slowly, guys. If you follow all these steps, I believe you can do it. Okay, you don't jump the tutorial. Yes, so you just follow and be patient. It takes time sometimes, but this is how it works. And I've tried, and this is work 100%. And after that, and you just flip. All right, and then bring it down and then attach together. This design, guys, really symmetric. Okay, there is no mistake, and this is the time now we need to change the background so that we can see the result. Ooh, perfect. Yes, that's perfect, isn't it? So yes, for sure this is how it works, and I'm done. Yes, for sure I'm done, and yours is just the beginning. One more time, thank you guys for watching, and I hope after watching it, I believe you can make it, even though helping people out there. And if you think this tutorial is useful for you guys, you can subscribe to the channel. And if you don't like to get any notification, you don't have to do it. You just keep watching. That's fair enough. Thank you one more time, guys. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your support. And have a good time. And see you again for the next tutorial. Bye-bye.